Chef.
No.
Oh, there is rice.
We have Filipino inside that, so one chef.
Rice.
Yeah, I want rice. For you, you take this one, but for me, no.
Talk too much.
Ay, chicken na lang sa akin.
What?
Half chicken.
Okay, you can order whatever you want. Don't act like you know.
Ay, naku. Chicken lang sa kwaday. Iwan ko sa kanya. Na half lang sa akin.
Sige.
Kung may ano kayo, magkano kayo yung rice na maliit lang, konti lang? Ah, extra rice. Yeah.
Extra rice.
Give me extra rice.
My goodness.
I want rice.
Which rice po? You can choose these 3 rice.
Ano to?
Ito po yung parang